You've probably heard the claim before. When you die, you have 7 minutes of brain activity left. Your brain replays your happiest memories in a dream sequence. It sounds beautiful. It sounds comforting. There's just one problem. It's not true. Here's what actually happens. When the heart stops, blood flow to the brain stops. Within seconds, the brain begins to shut down. There is no blood going to the brain, and it shuts down immediately. It's very unlikely that the brain can have coordinated thought or consciousness after that point. A recent large-scale study found that brain activity stopped at a median of 78 seconds before circulatory arrest. That means your brain goes quiet before your heart stops beating. But here's where it gets strange. Research shows there is a surge of organized brain activity near death. In 2023, scientists recorded a surge of gamma brain waves in dying patients. Gamma waves are associated with consciousness, memory retrieval, and even dreaming. This activity was stimulated by global hypoxia and surged further as cardiac conditions deteriorated. In animal studies, this surge happens within the first 30 seconds after cardiac arrest. It's characterized by high-frequency oscillations and increased neural integration, patterns that are partially analogous to REM sleep. One study found that the default mode network, the part of the brain responsible for autobiographical memory, empathy, and self-reflection, actually persists after circulatory arrest. This network may be the neural basis for the life review phenomenon frequently reported in near-death experiences. So the 7-minute memory replay is a myth. But the dying brain does show organized activity, possibly supporting a dream-like, altered state, where subjective time becomes the primary experience, independent of external chronological time. So no, you probably don't get a 7-minute highlight reel of your life. But your brain might give you something stranger, a surge of activity, a dream-like state, a final moment of organized consciousness before it fades forever. The passage from life to death is far more complicated than any of us assume. And that might be the most fascinating thing about it.